What's down? What's good? What's poppin'? It's your girl Tia. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be having a little day in my life, a little vloggy vlog. I don't know what we're about to do, but we're about to get into it now. So I just wanted to hurry up and make my intro before I leave the house. And let me show y'all what I have on. I have on this little two-piece set. It's shorts with these shoes. Alani has on her little dress and hair accessory. I threw this hat on because I want to take these braids out. I might do that when I get back home. So let's get right into this video.
But I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart. There's one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love.
We are in Big Lots. We're in Big Lots getting nothing. I'm pretty sure my mom knows we're getting nothing, but she's not going to admit it. I've been really debating on if I want to keep the bed set that I have or get a new one eventually, not now. But I really do want a silver base. I'm going to get her tablet. I left her tablet in the car. I got to make it quick because they be having some creeps, y'all. They be having the creeps out here. I should have got my tripod, but I'll be fine. After this, I think that we might be going to like Walmart or something. I'm not sure.
See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart. And everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand.
Alani got her baby dog. Why so noisy? She didn't have her little white baby.
Ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So
Got two pretzels. One for me and one for me and one for Alani. My mama wanted an icy, but they don't have icy, so she's very upset. Shall I say upset? There go Alani. She had us open up the watermelon. Hey, mama. It's good? Yeah.
Then drop them drawers. I know what you are. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. I can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew right from the start there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby. Then drop them drawers. I know what you are. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think.
All right, you guys, I haven't talked to y'all in a minute. Let's just, you know, put that out on the table right now. But it's because I really have not been doing anything. But I wanted to show you guys that I went and got my hair done. I'm trying to, you know, let it grow on me. Side part, sew in, closure. Really, I gotta let it grow on me, you know. I'm trying to let it grow on me. I'm not used to, you know, having like hair, black hair. My birthday is on Friday, so I'm just trying to, y'all, Alana excited. I don't know why. It's early. It's early. I don't know why I'm excited. I just want you guys to know that I don't know what I'm doing, but if I do something, I will vlog it because I really want to get this video uploaded by today. So we're gonna see, but until then, I'm about to finish trying to fluff my hair. It got body. It got body. I'll show you guys a little bit of how it kind of looked when I first got it done. I mean, it's still like the curl still fell, but I'm gonna put it on a screen or I'm gonna just like, matter of fact, I'm gonna put it in a video right now. That's pretty much how my hair was looking. It was cute. It is cute. Okay, y'all, wait a minute, because it's kind of growing on me. I don't know if you guys can tell, but your girl eyebrows is thick. I've been having thick eyebrows since I was a baby. I'm a thick eyebrow type of girl. So the eyebrows gonna be done. But I'm pretty sure y'all tired of hearing me ramble and talk, y'all. I just started venting. I don't know why. I just started talking and they shut up. So I'ma just see you guys later on. So well, hi. Kind of forgot about you guys. This is, how do you say, awkward. Me and her then took, how long our nap was, Lonnie? Say about 3-4 hours, huh? Our nap was like 3-4 hours, y'all. Like I said, kind of forgot about you guys. Not gonna lie to you. But nap 10 out of 10. Must try again. But I just wanted to come back to tell you guys that I ain't really do anything, but now that I'm awake, I have to get up and I need to cook dinner. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I don't know how y'all be feeling about me whipping it up in the kitchen while I'm, you know, recording, but that I'm gonna do it anyways. So y'all about to see that now. Let me just get up and get active, because if not, I'm gonna be in this bed all day. Well, hi again. That's a slight change in plans, you guys. So the problem is we forgot to get something to go with the chicken. So itty bitty change. We're going to Popeyes. We're gonna go to Popeyes. I'm gonna just get us the little family meal or whatever, you know, the chicken and mashed potatoes and whatever else that comes with the family meal. We're gonna just do that. I know y'all probably tired of seeing me in the room, so it's good that we're leaving out the house anyways. I'm tired of seeing me in this spot myself, so I still gotta come home and take a shower and stuff, and I guess get ready for bed. Girl, I'm gonna be up all night because your girl done took like a 3-4 hour nap anyways. I'm about to go to Popeyes and I'm gonna just see you guys in the car. We're at Popeyes. The tricks, y'all, the tricks are out on shelf. The tricks are out. Tree says she respects the hustle. This one pregnant, you guys. But I mean, I guess they gotta make their bread. Thank you. This is our food. We got double mashed potatoes, some french fries. What's this? Oh, some biscuits. Get off the bag. And let me show you the chicken. Hold up. Ooh, this is not. That bit looks burnt.
Nice and gas station.
Caught in action.